Here we are on lesson 7. We have some things to review. We have some new things to learn. So let's start off by reviewing Polly Wolly Doodle. 1, 2, ready, and.
Oh, I went downstairs for to see my gal singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. My Sally is a spunky gal singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day. Fare thee well, fare thee well, fare thee well, my fairy friend. For I'm going to Louisiana for to see my Susanna singing Polly Wolly Doodle all the day.
In our last few lessons, we've been learning individual notes. On the first string, we have an E. On the second string, we have a B. And on the third string, it's a G. So, open like this is a G. In the second fret is an A. And that's the only two notes we have on there, is a G and an A. So let's go over some of these exercises. Now we're on the third string, so we're going to play on the third string. The G is just open. So to play this one, you would play 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rest, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. If I played it without counting out loud, sound like this. 1, 2, ready, go. This is the note A. It's played in the third string, second fret, and you use your second finger. It starts off with an eighth note pattern, and it goes rest and 2 and. All right, so let's try it. 1, 2, ready, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know a G and an A on the third string, let's switch between the third, the second, and the first strings. This one combines the notes from all three strings, and it adds one more new thing. If you look at the second to the last note, you'll see that it is an F with a sharp in front of it. Here's where we normally would play an F, but when we play an F sharp, we play there. You go up 1/2 step when it's sharped. So here's our F, here's our F sharp. Starts on a G, clear down here on the third string, open G. The next note is an A in the second fret of the third string. The next note is a B, which is open on the second string. Then we go to a C, which is first fret on the second string, a D, which is third fret on the second string. Then we're to the first string, and it's an E, and it's open. And then we play in the second fret to get that F sharp that we talked about. And there's our G. So we're actually playing a scale. It goes from G, clear down here, up to G there. 8 notes. So it goes like this. 1, 2, ready, and. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we played that without me counting out loud, it would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, end. Here's a song you will recognize that takes notes from all three strings. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play that without me counting out loud. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, and our last song is we're going to play a G major scale again. This time we put the F sharp in the key signature, so you're not going to play this note, you're going to play this note every time you see an F, even though the sharp is shown clear over there. So this would sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If I played that without counting out loud, sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and. We have a new chord to learn today. It's called the A chord. You put 3 fingers on 3 strings, the 4th, the 3rd, and the 2nd in the 2nd fret. And there's your A chord. Now that we know an A chord, we can learn the song Take Me Out to the Ball Game. It's in 3/4 time. You need a C, a G7, an A, an F, and later on, a D chord. So here is Take Me Out to the Ball Game. 1, 2, 3.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. I don't care if I never get back. And it's rude, rude, rude for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.
Here's the song, Home on the Range. 1, 2, 3, rest 2.
Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day.
One of my favorite songs is a song called Old Blue. It's about a dog. It's a fun song. Let's try it. Here's Old Blue. You need a C, an F, and a G. But the tricky part on this one is the counting. In the intro, you've got a 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's try it. Old Blue. 1, 2, ready, and.
Had an old dog and his name was Blue. Had an old dog and his name was Blue. Had an old dog and his name was Blue. I bet you $5 he's a good dog too. I'm singing yeah, Blue.
Here's a good old song called Oh, Susanna. The chords aren't hard, but the rhythms get a little interesting as you get into it, so count carefully. 1, 2, ready, and rest.
I came from Alabama with my banjo on my knee. I'm going to Louisiana, my true love for to see. It rained all night the day I left, the weather it was dry. The sun so hot I froze to death. Susanna, don't you cry. Oh, Susanna, don't you cry for me. For I come from Alabama with my banjo on my knee.
Time for us to learn the song Old Macdonald. Now, I'm only giving you one time through, but you can just keep going and make up as many animals as you'd like. 1, 2, ready, play.
Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With the cluck cluck here and the cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old Macdonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's review the song When the Saints Go Marching In. 1, 2, ready, and.
Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, Lord, I want to be in that number. When the saints go marching in.
Let's review the song, name the notes. 1, 2, ready, and.
G-B-D-F on the lines of the treble clef. F-A-C-E spaces spell face. G-B-D-F in the notes of the treble clef. F-A-C-E, it's easy to do. Let's draw a whole note on the bottom line. Notice that with music on means through. E-G-B-D-F are the lines of the treble clef. That must mean this note's and E. E-G-B-D-F are the lines of the treble clef. F-A-C-E spaces spell face. E-G-B-D-F in the notes of the treble clef. F-A-C-E, it's easy to do.
Well, that wraps up our lessons. You know a lot of new rhythms. You know at least 6 chords. You'll know at least 9 notes. And if I'm not mistaken, you got about 30 songs here. I encourage you to keep finding new songs that you want to play and just keep working. Keep playing, and thanks for your time.